Hello aspirants, welcome to Eightfold IAS Academy. As part of our New India Samachar series, today we'll discuss about local toys for global markets. In this article, very interesting content is provided which is useful for both our prelims and mains exam. So we will divide this into two parts, one for prelims and the other focusing on mains content. Now we'll quickly see the facts related to our prelims exam, which is useful for our prelims exam. Okay, globally, toys market is around 7 lakh crore, of which India's contribution is only 0.5%. So the government is aiming to enhance toy export to 2,800 crore by 2024. Okay, of this 7 lakh crore global toy market, 85% share is of China's. And the next on the line is EU, European Union. Here, in Indian market, 3,500 to 4,500 crore worth of toys are sold, of which indigenous has only captured 15% and the remaining are imported. So our Prime Minister has stressed that it is time for vocal for local toys in Mann Ki Baat show in August 2020. Recently, UPSC, we may encounter such type of question like recently in the newspaper so and so term is seen which is related to. So if they ask that term is vocal for local is related to, then we have to answer toys. Okay. Next, we will see the harmful substances present in toys and the various tests performed for the safety standards for the safety of toys. Harmful substances present are phthalates, arsenic and lead. Phthalates are generally used by toy makers to make plastic toys supple and chewy. These phthalates are actually banned in US and UK as they cause reproductive disorder, asthma and allergy in children. Also in 2007, 8 lakh toys made by a US firm Mattel were recalled due to overdoses of lead paint. These results show that toys can hurt and damage the skin of the children also, which only 33% toys passed all tests. So let's see what tests are performed. Generally, the tests on mechanical properties, admissible levels of phthalates, then flammability tests are performed. So this is the general information given here, which is not much useful for us. But what's the point here is imported toys are failed to meet the safety standards. So it is now time for our indigenous market to capture this, grab the market, as our indigenous toys are chemical free and sustainable. As we have looked earlier, that 85% share is of China and next is EU, and 7 lakh crore worth of global toy industry is expected to grow 9.5 lakh crore by 2025, and at present our 0.5% share is around 45 crore. Okay, Lego and Mattel are among the biggest toy brands globally. Now, here is an important part of this topic. We will see what are the states, what kind of toys are produced, what materials are used, and what are the GI tagged toys in India. This content is very important because we can get many different types of questions from this. We may get match the following questions, on one side the states and the other side toys produced, or we may get options or the choose the correct statements type questions where state and the toys are matched and we have to rule out the wrong options or find out the correct matching. So any different kinds of questions can be asked from this content, so it is very important. Now, Uttar Pradesh. In this, Varanasi, Greater Noida and Saharanpur are the places where toys are manufactured, of which Varanasi toys are having GI status. In Andhra Pradesh, Etikoppaka, Kondapalli and Kadapa are the manufacturing hubs, of which Etikoppaka and Kondapalli are having GI status. Bihar toys are made up of Sikki grass, which is a special identity. Dharbanga and Sikki are the manufacturing hubs. Then, in Madhya Pradesh, Indore, Bhopal and Budni are the places where again indoor leather toys are having GI status. In Gujarat, Patan and Sagarpur are the manufacturing hubs. In Telangana, Nirmal is the manufacturing hub and it is also having GI status. These are 400-year-old rich tradition where animal and bird toys are made up of soft wood. Then Puducherry. In Puducherry, clay is used as the primary material. In Tripura, toys are made up of bamboo, which is speciality of Tripura, and Agartala is the manufacturing hub. Then in Rajasthan, lac toys and puppets are worldwide famous, and puppets from Rajasthan also have GI status. In Jharkhand, Dhanbad, in Kerala, Ernakulam, Sikkim, which has 60-year-old tradition of soft toys from Sikkim, is also set to gain attention worldwide. In Assam, it is the hub for teddy bear production. So in India, which is the place for teddy bear production means it's Assam. Then Karnataka. Channapatna and Kinhal toys are both having GI status. Channapatna is India's first toy cluster, and these toys are known all around. Then Mayurbhanj is going to develop as a new toy hub. In Maharashtra, wooden toys are popular, and Savantwadi is the area which produces it. And Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur dolls, also known as dancing dolls, are popular among children and adults. This is also having GI status. It is known as dancing dolls because the head bounces. What is it? The head bounces. So this is about the information which is very much useful for our prelims. And in the next video, we'll see about the information which is relevant for our mains. Thank you.